We just received the PCR COVID-19 home kits from Health Switch. This is a company in Ontario, okay, that is working with the federal government, specifically with the Health Canada branch to make sure that the people receive the COVID testing in the airport. They use the same brand, and after the 8th date, 1 week later, at home. So this is the product they use. So we received just the 3 tests to do our home kit. I will open one, try to capture what it is, to see what it is in the swab, actual swab, because I've seen videos from Italian physician and biologists who said that these swabs, they have brittle fibers on it, and these fibers are dangerous for the health because they break inside. So we will see. On simple sight, it looks something spongy there, not like cotton, but we will see closer. I will just open this a little bit, enough to take it outside. So very close up the camera to see if you can focus close. No, you cannot see. Okay, so it is something strange there. What I will do, I have prepared already here 2 glasses for microscope. So we will try to see if this thing has something that will fail. So this is absolutely clean. We just clean it, nothing there, nothing. I will see if just by doing this something fell there. Maybe not, maybe because this is something should be attached to the crystal. If this thing has some impregnated material that shouldn't be there. It is supposed to be a device to capture the mucosa from the nose. Okay, so I will put it back a little bit there, and I will seal that with a cover-up crystal. I don't know if there is something there or not. We just, and I will put scotch to seal that, so I will not lose the cover crystal there. Yeah, that's enough. On another one, the other side. I think that will do it. Okay, so we will just proceed to the next one. The next one, it is another sample where I will try to capture the fibers if they break, the same way the procedure we do in our nozzles. So I have here prepared a piece of scotch, clear. I tried to make it clear. It's very difficult, but the scotch is transparent as long as you can manage. It has a little line there in the middle. As you manage to detach it carefully, and I use this film, this specific film, to create one side of the scotch that will not attach here, because I want to create the conditions here similar to the conditions that we will have when we apply this thing to the nose. Okay, so I will put it there. Here I will just cross one side. Now I will take the swab, I will put it there, and I will rotate. They say 15 seconds. This is sticking very much already. So I think I don't need even to make 15 seconds. You already saw how much material I stick there. 1, 2, 3. I will wrap that. That's it. Okay, so back there, and I will remove carefully the scotch here, this thing, I have two-sided, so I can pull it. I can pull it. I can pull one, and that one will be easily, while I pull it, I can seal this to observe in the microscope. So this is a very ingenious way to keep a clean specimen. So now we have something that detached from the swab. We will put it in the microscope. This is a professional microscope. It can magnify up to 2,500 times. Optical microscope is used in universities, veterinary labs, everywhere. So I will just turn on, and I will find with the least magnification, with 4 times 10. I have eyepieces of 10 here and 4 there, so this is 40 times magnification. We will see what we have there. Okay, so I will bring and install the microscope, the phone, pardon me, in the eyepiece, so we can see the eye is still there. I haven't touched it, so I will just put it here. Oh, here we are. Here we are. Okay, so now we are exploring. Oh, look at that. Look, those fibers. These are fibers that just stick as soon as they touch the tape, and there are a lot. I will go one side to the other. So these brittle fibers, according to the Italian physicist and biologist who specializes in biopharma materials, says that they according to the chemical analysis, they have zirconium and they have silica and sometimes metals. And this is not good, because these things will break in your nose, incrustated in your nasopharyngeal epithelium, and depending how many of those incrustate there, you will have a lot of bad effects. You can have irritation, of course, fever if you get infected, and if you get this thing too frequently, that might become a chronic condition.